Heather French with ESP. I think I probably have the coolest job in our entire company as the senior account manager or business development. I get out there, I get to connect with our clients. We get to take them to lunches, get to take them on events and trips, get to know them, get to know about their families, how to help them be better within their company or their role. My areas of expertise come with 25 plus years background in sales, business development, everything from an entrepreneur owning my own businesses, leading into working in industries within supply chain, logistics, restoration, construction, and most recently, industrial hygienist. That was really interesting. It led me into getting my building inspector license for the state of Colorado. It's a whole new industry and I actually really enjoy it. Where I come from is a little town in WORKSITE, Arkansas. I definitely grew up on a small farm, which was super awesome with chickens and 100 by 100 foot garden and corn. So I definitely had to learn some farming skills from my mom. Moving to Colorado at a fairly young age, my mom actually steered me into getting into trucking. She was a transportation broker for 30 years in Colorado. I got in trucking and I was like, how do I work in this industry as a young female? And surprisingly enough, I got in there and 7 years was amazing. A lot of amazing stories and I can handle the best with the rest. One interesting fact about me is I'm a retired IFBB Pro athlete. That's the International Federation of Bodybuilding. I was once ranked third in the world for 2 consecutive years, which is actually pretty hard to accomplish, so I'm pretty proud of that. I ran a 40 and 4.8 when I was 30 years old. I'll still keep that title even in my 40s. It's pretty cool to be able to experience to be an athlete. Knowing that I accomplished that has allowed me to carry over into my work life, even my work, home life, family balance. The most rewarding part of my job is truly connecting with our clients, knowing that what we do ultimately is impacting the community.